Hey y'all, it's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time to make my mantle. So I'm going to show you some of the ways that I switched over from Easter to spring and summer with just a little bit of change. So I'm going to turn this around. We're going to start with some projects that you guys have probably already seen, like the bicycle wreath, which was absolutely gorgeous. We love that fence and bicycle, and you were able to get that without the wreath if you just wanted the bicycle. Another really fun project is this one, and you are going to see this mason jar a little bit later in the month as a virtual class. The flowers come out and you can rearrange them. This is so stinking adorable. I love it. And let's see, we've got our picket pocket, which of course we did over the summer last year. We've got our welcome home sign down here, which is absolutely gorgeous with that ribbon. I love that. You'll see a lot of sunflower influence in this mantle because I love sunflowers and I think they bring such a fun, sunny look to your mantle. You'll see that sign over there that we just recently did. I know a lot of you have loved that because I have seen it. You guys have been ordering that one like crazy. So there's the sunflower banner down on my hearth. Don't neglect your hearth, and particularly now with the summer coming, make sure that you put things inside your fireplace with some decor so that they don't look left out. I will show you something new that we just did. So if you have not read our newest blog post, make sure you check it out. This is so adorable. It gives such a fun, romantic look to your decor, and it was super easy to do. You can read our blog and get all the instructions on how to make this pretty piece. So that is really it. You basically took the Easter bunnies down. We left a lot of the yellow florals. You'll see them tucked away in some spaces over here. There was a whole lot of things that could stay for this mantle, and I like that. So make sure when you're planning out your mantles, of course, this daisy banner can last all summer long, but there was a lot that could stay from Easter. So make your work a little easier and make sure you have staple pieces that can stay on your mantle throughout the season. The tobacco basket, you can always fill it with something else, but it can be a staple that is always on your mantle. Same thing with these architectural pieces. Make sure you have some things like that that you can just build from so that you don't have to constantly take things off the mantle. This was another adorable thing that we did in our member videos. Super quick and easy project. It'd be adorable to have some of those sitting around on your mantle. I'm trying to think what else we have here that's different. Oh, we have one more thing. This was from one of our blog posts as well that'll be coming out this week. Fun Dollar Tree craft that took me all of 30 minutes and $2. So you're going to want to make sure you read that blog post as well. These would be beautiful sitting in a row across your mantle in all different colors. Super fun project. So that I think is it. Floral was the name of the game for this mantle. I love floral. I think, let me move you around so you can see all of it. I think that for this time of the year, floral is your best bet. It can be added to easily. If you love birds, of course, you know that works well with floral as well. So you can tuck some little birds into your things. Floral also works well with either farmhouse or with nautical, so you can add touches for both. So I think floral is a great way to transition into your summer decorating because it's not quite time for summer decorating yet. Although today, as you can tell from the windblown hair, we spent the whole day outside. So it is getting that time of year, and I think that bringing that inside is a really great way to start your summer decorating. So make sure you put some fun floral touches on your mantle for this week, and I can't wait to see pictures of what you've done. Have a great night. Bye.